Bonus material, inspo. Bonus points to anyone who can name a piece of bonus material you may have received for signing up for our newsletter, for attending a webinar, or another event. For instance, our 5 Essential Author Habits fun sheet is an example of a nonfiction piece of bonus material. Bonus. Bonus material is exclusive content related to your original work that hasn't been released anywhere else, and usually it thrills your fans because it keeps the story alive. How many times did you finish a book or series and crave more? This is the magic of being an author. You get to fulfill that desire for your readers. Get creative. Get as creative as you'd like. I once wrote a bonus wedding scene, complete with invitations. Another time I created a Halloween party on the page and created a menu for it. I've written love letters from one character to another, digital postcards for characters who went traveling, and journal entries from another character. You could even have your readers vote on what they'd like. Here are some examples of bonus material. Mini prequel, mini sequel, deleted scenes, alternate endings, the story told from a different character's point of view, character interview, character profile, graphic novel edition, behind-the-scenes secrets from the book, photo aesthetic or inspiration board, a playlist of songs that fit the story. Now that you've created this awesome content, what do you do with it? Here are some ideas. What to do with your bonus material. Giveaway for pre-ordering your book or next book in series, newsletter subscription incentive, include during Facebook parties, takeovers, or events, share on a book blog or Facebook group, to celebrate a holiday or the anniversary of your book, to include in a box set to add value, when releasing a new format, like the audiobook, when attending a live event, just because.